Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing a scrollable area. Select or draw a frame and size it to the viewport you want. Once done, place layers or groups that extend beyond the bottom edge so content overflows. That overflow is what creates scroll. Make sure clip content is toggled on in the properties so anything outside the frame hides. This prevents visual overflow and ensures only the framed area is interactive for scrolling. Now you have a container ready for scrolling behavior. Next, you'll define how that overflow behaves. Switch to the Prototype tab and set overflow behavior to vertical scrolling. You do this so users can drag the content up and down in previews. Then, pick the starting scroll position, typically top, so the view opens at the correct place. Also apply vertical constraints to inner elements so they stick or flow as intended when the frame resizes. These steps control both interaction and responsive layout at once. Finally, preview your work in present mode and test scrolling with different inputs: mouse wheel, trackpad, and touch if available. If the motion feels jumpy, refine spacing between elements and confirm constraints so items don't shift unexpectedly. You can also add prototype links for nested scrolling interactions. If scrolling doesn't work, make sure clip content is on, overflow is set to vertical scrolling, and the scrollable elements are direct children of the frame. Wrong hierarchy is the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.